Specific tools are needed to complete this installation. Have them ready before beginning. Specific parts are included for assembly. Locate the keys and unlock the drawers. Follow the installation instructions and verify that all parts are included. This tool chest is intended for use in a garage. Maximum weight limit is 1,000 pounds for the cabinet. There are two different bumpers to be installed in the toolbox. The bumpers without a center notch are installed over the rigid casters. The bumpers with a center notch are installed over the swivel casters. Attach the front bumpers using 2 washers and 2 screws for each bumper. Repeat for rear bumpers. The handle should be installed over the swivel casters. Slide the handle down into the slots in the toolbox side. Install 2 bolts in each side to secure the handle in place. Fully tighten all 4 handle bolts. Using the key, unlock the drawers. Install the drawer liners to avoid scratching or damaging the drawers. The tool chest drawers can be removed. Slide out the drawer as far as it will go. Press the lever down on the left track and lift the lever up on the right-hand track to release the drawer. Pull the drawer out the rest of the way. In order to replace the drawer, align the drawer glides with the receiving glides. Hold the receiving glides firmly and insert the drawer glide. It is normal for the drawer to close tightly the first time after it has been removed.